For the past 4 years, as I developed my craft within content creation, I had recorded everything with my iPhone X, but now that the quality of my videos had improved so much, it was time to upgrade the equipment side of things as well. I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm off to buy my first camera. Sony gang! Manfrotto, small tripod, let's go. First camera, Sony ZV-1. I excite. And then, of course, the memory card. I'm trying to hold this bad boy. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's finally here. Wow. It's so weird. I've been seeing cameras in my mind's eye for such a long time. To finally hold it, it just feels like, I don't know, different on my fingertips than I was expecting. Like the material is just, I haven't touched and felt due to like lockdown and stuff like that. A camera, this is beautiful. How do I not destroy everything? How do I do the thing? Flip, something, no. Am I not gonna destroy this area right here? This makes me nervous. Do you turn on? How do you turn on? Is the battery even in? Lock, open. Ooh, ooh, battery is not in. Beautiful. How do I do this? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes. Cool, lock. Actually, where's the memory card? And the memory card, is it still going? Thank the Lord. You know how ready I am to be able to see if it's still going and see from a distance that the camera is on me? It's terrifying, because up until now I've been using my iPhone X, which has been awesome. But it is time to upgrade. And this is one of two cameras that is coming in. First, we're doing Sony ZV-1. Next, we're doing the A7C, which is a beast. But I want this as my secondary camera. Okay, if I could open this, it'll be phenomenal. Wow. Which way? This way. Okay, didn't break it. Good stuff. Lock. What is this? Ah yes, dead cat. How do we do that? Cool. This is so pure. I'm so sorry for the audio quality on this, by the way. Oh my god, yes. Okay, Manfrotto, you are up next. Guys, I'm actually doing this. Oh my god. That's like more sturdy than my desk. Respect. Designed in Italy. Shout out to one of my best friends, Hazel. Okay, so this is cool. This feels very weird. Am I doing this right? Yeah, we've got it. How tight can I put this? Ah, that makes me nervous. Can I move this at all? Or is this fully locked in? This looks like it's fully, oh wait. Oh my god, I'm feeling I'm breaking everything already. Great. So if I push this in, should be able to move this. Oh my god, that is gangster. Let's go. Okay, let's turn it on. English, enter, New York, Pagoda. Sick. How do I menu? Got it. Imaging edge. Preparing image database file. There's a database on this thing. Wow. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. This is wicked. The fact that I can, oh my, this is so nice. Okay, how do I press record on this thing? Whoa, why did I zoom in so much right there? Confusion. This is beautiful. It's tracking my eyes so well. Oh my god. I'm like literally, I'm shaking a little bit because this is so exciting. Dude, this is crisp. There's no like... Is this shooting in 60 right now? This is very smooth. How do I... Okay. Yeah, it is shooting in 60. Hello. This is the first clip I've ever recorded on the ZV-1. I'm so excited that this is finally here. I've been waiting and working towards this for such a long time. And I'm really excited to take this YouTube thing seriously. This is sick. Okay, wait. I need to change all the settings. I don't want 60 FPS. I need to go down to at least 30, maybe 24. And I want to turn on this bokeh stuff. Mode. Wait, no. Menu. Oh, it's still going. Great. Okay, recording setting, 30p with 50 megapixels. Wicked. Quality, extra fine. This is crazy, man. Again, are we still going here? We are. Airplane mode. This is intense, man. How do I see my images? Or rather, how do I see my media? It's tracking my eyes so well. Oh my god. I'm like literally, I'm shaking a little bit. There's no grain that I'm so used to seeing on the iPhone X. Oh my god, this is so nice. All right, let's try out the bokeh. What do I do? Come back. How do I do this? Is this touchscreen? No? Okay, sick. Wicked. So, this is strange, like knowing that I'm going to be looking dead center, but also knowing that it's right there on the right type of thing. But this is definitely easier to get used to looking directly in instead of the setup like this where I have to just kind of figure out where the hell it is. I will speed up at these twisting around things. This is definitely gonna take some getting used to though. Also, which hand do I vlog in? Probably this one, right? Probably left so I can talk with my right hand. I like this. Okay, mode, give me the blur. Is it doing the blur? How do I do it? I have no idea what I'm doing. Background defocus. Defocus, clear. Defocus. So it's been on defocus, I think. Anyways, for it being that close, the book's behind me, this is looking nice. Here's what it looks like when my arm is normally out. What is going on, you beautiful people? My name is Josh Moxey and welcome back to another video. This is so over the top, but it is definitely how I start my podcast. Because they're long as hell and I need people to actually get interested right from the get. This is exciting, man. This is very exciting. Big thank you to my iPhone. It has been real and it's helped me build some tremendous skill over the years. I'm very grateful for it and for not being too obsessed with quality that I wouldn't get started. Imperfection is the fucking way. Can I just leave it like this? Sick. This is crisp, man. I can really get used to this, and I will get used to this. Also, this tripod is just a game changer too. Let's go and show the fam, I guess.
Ooh, cool, it's fluffy. Why is it fluffy? Fluffy. Yeah.
Look at how crispy it is.
Crisp. Why is it fluffy?
Okay, come here. Come see the blurred background. Come. It's gonna focus in your eyes, and then look at the background.
Can I just look at you?
Go to my right.
Cool. You look very good.
Thank you.
What's the fluffy thing? Can I touch it?
You may touch the fluffy
What
thing.
is it?
Wait, one sec.
But what is it?
What is it? Is it a dead cat?
No, please don't do that.
Dude, so many angles. This is hilarious. I'm trying so hard to like double this up right now, but it's just so awkward doing the like switch around type of thing. So weird. Okay, how can I do this?
Your food's ready.
Beautiful, thank you.
Oh, dude.
What's this? Watch this. It is so pretty. Color science is fucking unreal. Pull.
Yeah. Double.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it. Look at the background. Do you see the background? It's slightly blurry. It's just like just enough blur.
Just enough blur.
Do you see? Like, look at the brick.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Now I get it.
It's crispy. And it's tracking my eye as well, if you can see that.
Josh, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. is wicked, man. Feels so good. Thanks, nice happy dance.
Happy dance again.
Yeah, I do. That is horrible. Oh, but I'm happy for you being happy for being happy for me, I think. Thank you. Anyways, this is bananas. I love this.
Did you notice what it is? Because I didn't. Dead cat, bro. What is it?
Where's your dead cat?
He's upstairs in my room.
Rip.
Boom. Okay, time for a slow-mo test. Of food, of course. Yes, cargo shots were not very good, but we move. These are insane. Let's check a low light. Gonna go in my basement with 0 light on and see how it is. Already decent. How is... Man, it's like solid in the background. It's barely any noise. This is actually pretty good. What the fuck? How about the darkest place in my house? How does it perform? Oh my god. So autofocus isn't great, but all things considered, I'm basically in the dark right now. Like, for comparison, this is what the iPhone looks like. Like night and day. And this is with purely auto. Wow. All right, so that was insane. What a contrast. If you're wondering why I'm getting 2 cameras, here's the plan. So I got this camera because I needed a second angle for the podcast. I also wanted to be able to go in my pocket like I do with my phone and whip out the camera at any single point and use it as a vlogging camera even without the tripod. And then plus it also doubles as a photography camera, so I can use it with branding, for example. On my other camera that I'm gonna get, I won't have a lens beyond 35 millimeters, and I need something that can shoot headshots and use it for my branding on my channel, my podcast, and then potentially some casual client work, whoever's okay with me using a point and shoot. I mean, it's pretty damn solid. Like, I'm looking at the quality right now. Liking. For the record, I'm shooting at basically everything auto right now because I just have no idea what I'm doing. Like, am I even in blurred background mode? I think I am. Shout out bokeh. Basically, your boy just has no idea what he's doing right now. He'll figure it out as we go. But this is absolutely insane to finally have a camera. It's so weird just like looking into this lens right now and seeing myself. Long time coming.